Hello, welcome to OCL Soundwave's newest podcast sequence called Splash with OCL. This new sequence will provide you with what is happening at the Ocean County Library. We will discuss book recommendations, new materials, upcoming events and programs, brief author talks, exciting news we would like to share with you, and other things worth mentioning going on within our library community. We are not sure if many of you know that we have a summer reading challenge for adults. So for our first Splash with OCL, we are going to discuss briefly about the Adult Summer Reading Challenge for 2023. Most people probably just assume that summer reading is only for children and teens. Well, at Ocean County Library, we want to make sure summer reading opportunities are available for all ages. Here at the Ocean County Library, we want to see what adults are reading as well. The summer reading program is a great way for you to develop new reading habits or reach that goal of reading more than one book a month, even if it is simple as just reading one book a month. The challenge is a great motivator for adults to get more involved with reading or even listening to their books. This year's theme is All Together Now. It was determined by the New Jersey Statewide Summer Reading Committee that is funded by the New Jersey State Library. So adults that are interested in the Summer Reading Challenge for 2023 will need to read a minimum of 5 books during the summer reading dates. You can also listen to 5 books, and you can help yourself to any of our digital resources. You can check out books and audiobooks through Libby or Hoopla if you wish. Or you can simply come into our library and check out a book, and if you need assistance, we'll be happy to help you. The dates are June 1st to September 15th, so you can read your books through those dates. You could submit your 5 readings through Beanstack or come in person to fill out a slip, and staff member will assist you with your submission. So you're probably wondering, how do I submit my 5 reads? You could submit your 5 reads through Beanstack or come in person to fill out a slip, and a staff member will assist you with your submission. If you wish to learn more about Beanstack, visit our website for more information on what it is and how to create an account and more. You can also visit your local branch, and they will be happy to assist you with signing up for a login or submit your readings for the challenge. The challenge runs through June 1st to September 15th, and winners will be announced after that. Along with our Adult Summer Reading Challenge, we are also providing different adult summer reading programs. We have the Tibetan Singing Bowls, where you can learn about the health benefits of meditation and the history of Tibetan singing bowls. Come relax and unwind while playing with one of the singing bowls. This is presented by Shelley Bodowick, an energy medicine practitioner, specialist in sound healing, and an adjunct professor at Mercer County Community College. This program will be hosted at Barnegat, Little Egg Harbor, Berkeley, Point Pleasant Borough, Jackson, and the Waretown branches. Want to learn more about Dungeons & Dragons but don't even know where to start? Join us for a Dungeons & Dragons crash course. This 90-minute program will help you get started on how to fill out a character sheet and even learn how to run a campaign as a Dragon Master. You can find this program at LBI, Manchester, Plumstead, Lacey, Stafford, or Toms River. Visit our website to get additional information, register for programs, and discover other services we have to offer. Thank you for splashing your way through Ocean County Library with us, and tune in next time for more Splash with OCL.